2016 to 2019 Chevy Cruze. I'm doing the USB port, the aux port guy right here. This one right here. I'm going to show you how to replace it. And first thing you want to do is get one of these blue interior tools. This is perfect for this job. It'll help you not scratch your interior. And basically there's two little plastic clips on the side of this USB port. So you want to go in from one side and push this between the USB port and the panel. You kind of got to push hard, but it will go in between them. Just kind of wiggle it, and then you're going to pry it, or turn the pry bar sideways, and it'll pop it out a little bit. When the right side's popped out, we're going to come and use the hook side and go on the left side and do the same thing. And you might have to go back and forth a little bit and just work each side, because sometimes the other side wants to pop back in, but you'll get both sides popped out enough to where you could grab it with your hand and wiggle it and pull it forward. There's two connectors, a gray connector and a black connector. You got to disconnect those. They have thumb tabs on them. You push the thumb tab down, and then you pull the connector backwards. Try not to let the connector and the wire harness fall back into the center console. Get that one off, and then the black one is on the bottom. The button's on the bottom where the red part is. So you're just going to push that little thumb tab and pull it backwards. Don't pull by the wires, because you'll break the wires and then you're going to have a whole different problem. So here is the USB port right here. There's not a part number on here. There's just some QR code, but that's not the part number. But it is sold on Amazon. They actually sell the GM Chevy genuine part. It's only 42 bucks. So I'm going to link this below, so make sure you grab it from below, because it was a little tricky to find on Amazon, but it is the correct one. Had a 5-star rating. Multiple people in the comments said it was perfect. So we're going to take our new one and just plug in the connectors. I plugged in the gray connector first, and that one, you got to be careful, because it's like a connector inside of a connector. So make sure when you put it in, it's lined up straight and that silver part goes in straight. If it's not going in, just kind of take it out, back it up, try to align it. Make sure you're not upside down or nothing like that, but just push it in. It should kind of click a little bit and lock in place, and then you'll do the black one. On the black one, the red part goes towards the bottom, and then you push it in, it should lock into place. And then all you got to do is line this guy up very carefully and just push him into place, and then that's it. You should be ready to go. No radio programming needed. It should be ready to go. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.